Hey there, I'm Alex, and today I want to break down a super simple, high-efficiency pipeline that I personally use every single time I need to turn a long video into a stream of viral social clips. We all know the struggle of taking that one great long-form recording and trying to squeeze the best bits out of it without losing our minds in the process. Think of this walkthrough as a behind-the-scenes look at how I let the technology handle the heavy lifting, so I can keep my focus entirely on the creative side of storytelling. Our main goal today is straightforward. We want to pull out those absolute best moments, craft punchy social posts to promote them, and get everything scheduled across our channels without needing to babysit the process. The workflow starts with importing your full-length raw footage, which is as easy as a simple drag and drop or pasting in a cloud link from your storage. Once the file is in, the AI immediately starts scanning the entire video to pinpoint high-energy moments, vocal peaks, and those laughter-filled pauses that naturally perform well on social media. This is what I call the magic of auto-editing, because it isn't just chopping randomly, it actually scores those specific segments based on their potential for shareability. After the tool flags a few candidate clips for me, I take a quick moment to preview them and select the ones that really stand out. If I feel like being extra picky, I can quickly tweak the in and out points, but honestly, the AI gets it right on the first try most of the time. Once I've confirmed my selections, the platform automatically generates crisp, dynamic captions for each clip, which is an absolute must-have in today's mobile-first landscape. Next up, we need to handle the transcription, which gives us a clean, text-based version of the audio in just a few seconds. While the accuracy is excellent, like any speech-to-text system, it might occasionally misinterpret a niche brand name, so I just give it a quick skim to fix those tiny details. Now, this transcript becomes the foundation for our social media post, saving us from the pain of writing everything from scratch. Instead of staring at the blank page, I drop that transcript into the copy assistant and add a short prompt about my desired tone and call to action. I usually ask for something tailored to LinkedIn that teases the video, drives traffic to the full episode, and encourages signups for a trial. The AI writes a polished, engaging post that keeps the tone casual and helpful rather than pushy or overly salesy. It's fantastic because I can use that copy almost immediately, maybe with just a single micro edit to perfectly match our specific brand voice. With the copy sorted, I move on to picking a thumbnail, choosing from the suggestions the AI provides based on which frame has the highest engagement signal. Then comes the sleeper feature, the content calendar, where I can batch schedule all my clips across different platforms at once. You can set your desired frequency, and the system handles the distribution so you aren't spamming your audience or guessing when to post. Once I set that cadence, the platform staggers the posts automatically, which is a massive relief compared to managing everything in messy spreadsheets. I know some people try to stitch this together with a dozen different apps, but that leads to disjointed workflows where nothing talks to each other. Other editors are great at trimming but offer zero scheduling, or scheduling tools that don't support native video, forcing you into weird formats. With this integrated loop, you get everything in one place: clip selection, captions, transcription, copy generation, and scheduling. This workflow is truly built for creators who want serious results without getting bogged down in administrative overhead. When I launch a new project, I run this live. I let the engine find the viral bits, pick 3, generate captions, transcribe, and schedule everything. If I need platform-specific tweaks, like a shorter hook for TikTok or a more professional tone for LinkedIn, I just update the prompt and the copy adjusts perfectly. One practical reality check: the transcription isn't always perfect, so occasionally it might stumble over slang or very niche product names. However, correcting those few small bits is still exponentially faster than transcribing an entire video from scratch. Plus, the AI actually learns from your corrections. If you fix the same name a few times, it starts getting it right in all your future projects. Another major win is repurposing long-form interviews, where the tool extracts those aha moments, the 12-second reactions or the 18-second opinionated takes. Suddenly, from just 1 hour of footage, you have a whole week's worth of content ready to go without breaking a sweat. Because the calendar lets you preview upcoming posts, you have the flexibility to rearrange them or pause if a new opportunity pops up. I've seen legacy editors that are feature-rich but brutal to learn, or one-click tools that only cut based on silence, and miss the actual storytelling beats. This platform is specifically tuned for creators who need intelligent editing that understands context, paired with reliable distribution. I also love that it supports batch operations, so if you're launching a podcast series, you can queue multiple episodes and approve them in bulk. Time saved on that kind of admin work equals more time for me to do actual interviews, make better content, and engage with my community. Finally, we have to talk about analytics, where you get simple performance metrics to see which of your clips are actually resonating. This feedback loop is crucial. If you see that quick takes are outperforming long monologues, you can adjust your scoring to favor those punchier segments. To recap, my pipeline is simple. Load the video, find the viral bits, transcribe, generate copy with a prompt, pick a thumbnail, and schedule it all. If you're juggling long-form content, this approach is a total game changer for keeping a steady stream of short-form posts in your feed. It's not magic, and you still need to keep a human eye on things, but it removes the repetitive boredom that keeps most creators from being consistent. I hope this quick demo shows you how this flow can fit into your routine without becoming an extra job that eats up your entire day. Go ahead and give it a spin with one of your recent videos and see exactly how many usable clips you can pull out in under 10 minutes. You will be genuinely surprised by the kind of momentum you can build when you start repurposing your existing library the smart way. Thanks for watching, and if you want me to break down a specific workflow for podcasts, webinars, or interviews, drop a comment and I'll walk through it next.